Hello, my name is Alupo Irene from Tolim Parish, Kanapa Sub-County. I'm under poultry here in Gudie Leisure Farm. Before I came to Gudie Leisure Farm, I was at home. I had a business before, but then I had some issues and it collapsed. And with the help of the leaders, our local leaders, I got to know Gudie Leisure Farm and also Gudie staff. I had a business. It was a boutique and mobile money, and I also did education. I am a technical teacher, but then I had a car accident. It affected my spinal cord and one bone of the neck. So the time I took in the hospital could not allow me to come back to join that again. And also they gave me some conditions that I could follow to make sure I'd be fine, because I didn't go through any surgery. Yeah, so that thing made me to stay home for some good years, like 2. When I came to Gudie, the first time, the travel was amazing because they took good care of us. And when we reached here, oh wow, I was so amazed and happy because of the environment, the way they welcomed us. I remember me personally, I have never reached this place. In as much as I know Kampala outside there, but here in particular, I have never reached. And it was also a surprise because our leaders didn't tell us that you're going to such and such a place and you're going to get this and this type of houses. So it was my surprise getting Gudie Leisure Farm with good-hearted people, a good-hearted director who is like a mother to us, and also we were welcomed with warm hearts. And I don't regret being in Gudie. I came to Gudie and as I selected poultry from the forms that they sent. So I came and they introduced us to the leads or the class leader, the teachers, the people who are going to train us in those departments. So I'm also a leader in poultry class or poultry department, where I have 20 other girls. We came here on 25th, then on 30th, we were on orientation, then on 30th we received our birds here in poultry of 1 day. We received the 1 day, old chick. Then in that 1 day chick, before we received them, we had learned, they had taught us how to build these brooders. Then after preparing those brooders, we also made sure that we follow the SOPs here in poultry, and that is disinfecting. And if you check in front of our door, like when you're coming inside, you get a foot bath. And also here we have things that we use around. For example, before putting those chicks there or before receiving them, after preparing the brooders, we had to make sure we disinfect that place, the floor, without anything. It was just a plywood and the measured place. Then we disinfected there. Then after disinfecting, then we poured litter. After pouring litter, then we again disinfected. Why we did that is because we are trying, it's because we value the health of our birds and also for the people. Because these birds, we don't know where they come from, and we don't know how many hands have touched them, and also us, we might have touched very many things. So we can not just pick them from their boxes that they brought with, then we just drop them there. They would have gotten affected like that. So we did that to prevent germs and any kind of contamination through them. So after that, we placed them there. We received them. For example, I received 125 broilers. Those are the ones that they give meat. I received 125 broilers. Then after receiving them, I had to place them there in my brooder, well prepared with litter, disinfected, and well covered. You have to cover the litter so that when you put them, they are starter feeds. Those are the feeds, the type of feeds they start with when they are 1 day up to 3 weeks. You put them their starter feeds, then they will manage to differentiate between the litter and the feed. if you just put them there without covering that litter, they might end up eating that litter, then they die because the litter is hard. So those are all the things, the amazing things that our teachers or our trainers taught us. Apart from poultry, I'm so happy and blessed to have one particular thing, and that is, it concerns my health actually, because of what I told you about the accident and so on. The physical fitness that is here in this place helps me a lot. I am not going back as the other crippled Irene, but I'm going back as a fit Irene now, because this Gudie Leisure Farm has really helped me without asking for money. Instead, it's adding knowledge to my head. And also, we run some activities around. Sometimes when we are free, after the physical fitness, then we are collected and they teach us hand skills. And I've also learned how to make a bow tie. I've also learned how to make a head bow, those flowers you put in the head. I've also learned how to make a bangle. I made this one and more of it from here in Gudie Leisure Farm. I learned how to make a necklace and a lot of things. And I know with time to come, by the time we finish our training, I might have learned a lot of things. But right now, I am super excited of the things that I've learned in Gudie, most especially the exercises that has helped my health, and also the other activities that they give to us. Behind me, I have 100 women that are registered as part of the requirements in our forms that Gudie Leisure Farm submitted to us. And I pray that I reach home and anything I tell those women, they will take it the way I have taken it here in Gudie Leisure Farm. I plan to help them, to teach them how to take care of their birds, how to manage their health, the health of the environment and the health of the people. I plan to tell them how to use their hands and not just to sit because you're not educated, or you're educated and you don't have any job opportunity. I will have to go and tell them that you have to use the two hands you have, whether you're crippled or you're blind or what, but still you have at least one thing that you can utilize to make money. The message I have for Gudie Leisure Farm, it's just an appreciation. I appreciate the MD, Madam Gudla, for taking me, all that percentage around Kumi, for bringing me here and changing my life. I thank her and I pray God continues blessing her and the entire generation. And to the people of Kumi, where I come from, I'm so proud of them, because without those leaders, if they had refused to accept Gudie, maybe I would not be here. So I pray they continue having those hearts of receiving the people to change their communities. And I also pray that they learn from us. I personally, they learn from me, because I'm ready to share every knowledge that I've got from here with them. So I pray that they learn, and also they use behind there, the ones I've registered and the women. I have a message for them that they need to stand on their feet to make their tomorrow. Nobody comes to change tomorrow for you.